please. Oh, please. All I need is a chance. Frieza got his. Boo is a regular now.
Hello.
I thought what we had was special. Well, look who we have here. What? Have you come to rub it in? So you're going for the strong, silent type. Okay, I can respect that. But what is it that you can do and I can't? If you don't start talking soon, I'm going to have to make you talk. What are you doing? I saw you, man. It not you. It me. Huh? You weren't more than just movie. It should have been me, man.